Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. It is experiment day. Okay, I've got some gold flakes. I hate opening these. Don't breathe, don't talk, don't, oh, whatever you do, don't sneeze. Whoa. And don't grab more than you intend to. Man. Literally, that wasn't bad. These little flakes will stick to your mat like nobody's business. Alright, so I got some of them up anyway. Set that aside. Really? Lordy, they stick everywhere. And yes, I already knew that, but I'm just telling you, they stick everywhere. Alright, now I'm gonna shred them. The viscosity of the resin will help break them up. Okay. This is going to really sound weird, but I'm going to take a drop of this black resin. And that's it. I'm just gonna swirl it around. I'm not gonna mix it in. Okay, now I did know that that would be a little bit short because it was a little bit under 2 ounces. It's literally just half an ounce. So I'm just going to mix that up and fill it up. I'm not going to come back to y'all. So I'll be back to demold this in the morning. I have no idea what it's going to look like. So it'll be a surprise for me and you both. Okay, I mixed up more than 3 ounces. I mean, more than half an ounce. So sorry. I'm just going to... a little bit of this feather mold. Now, it's still got a little bit of gold leaf in it, but I'm gonna add some more. Oh. No, no. Okay. There's a giant clump in the middle. Okay. Sorry if I wasn't in frame there. Okay, and once again, I'm gonna do just a drop of black. Okay. That is still kind of streaky. I hope y'all can see this. Oh yeah. wipe my stick. Okay, I'm going to put both of these on my drying rack. And I'll be back in the morning to demold them. And it really does, work out just like this. You have a couple of ounces left for one project, and then you mix a tiny bit more, you wound up mixing a couple of ounces too much. Then you find something else to pour. So, I have no idea how these will turn out, so we're going to really look forward to demolding them in the morning. Alright, I'll be back. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one's going to be really interesting. That turned out really cute. Really cute. I love that. Let's put a light in it. That is cute. That is super cute. Make an orange or a purple to go with it, and you got a Halloween theme started. Okay. And then we got this. Okay. Get that tip end out first. And then I wiggle it down to the other end. Okay. I am always surprised at how light this feather is. It just doesn't weigh anything. 3 ounces. Alright? Wow. I love that. The black sparkle in the middle. I mean the black gold leafing in the middle. And then the mica powder. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Alright, y'all. Again, with the Temu molds. And they're that cute. Every one of them. That's pretty. Loving that. That bronzy color. Oh. Okay. I have a first-time buyer's coupon for Temu listed below, as well as an affiliate link listed below. If you buy anything through that link, I get a little kickback. I've also got an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from as well if you buy anything through that link, where I have resin dyes, glitter, mica powder, resin, silicone, you name it. I have a polymer clay list and a mixed media list too. I've added a Facebook link and an Instagram link to the description box. I've opened up a super thanks button, as well as a buy me a coffee link and an Amazon wishlist link, if any of that interests you. These are what we did today. I'm super excited. These are really pretty. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for being here today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.